QS stock analysis and price predictions for this is Wednesday is Quantumscape stock a buy. I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now I'm the only guy in this space with an actual track record of 43,000 videos and 5 years of experience. And then ultimately with QS, ever since I called out this bullish idea here, very low, like I'm talking 636, it went as high as like 14, and that was great, you know, more than it doubled 4 weeks ago. And ultimately I was open-minded to just doubling down even more. The only thing that I care though is there's a double shift, so I take things up. Now if I zoom out of this and come here, for me it will be really hard to be anything but bullish unless it breaks. I'm only going to be bullish if it breaks above 11.05 or whatever here this is, and something like that. But if it starts to keep melting, then I'm just going to get rid of it. You know, that's ultimately how it's looking like for right now. And if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.